Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be testing the Revolution Red Alert eyeshadow palette. This is the eyeshadow look that I'm going to be creating with this, and I'll also have all of the swatches of the 15 shades. So if you'd like to see this and more videos like it, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos every Monday and Thursday. You can also follow me on Instagram, and if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting with no makeup on because I want to do the swatches first. Okay, and so this is what the palette looks like. We got no shade names, and on the back we only have numbers. So like starting here with number 1 and then all the way to number 15. And even though this is not an exact dupe to the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, even because there are a few shades missing, this has kind of the similar shade vibes. We got a lot of reds and pinks and also the white, but let's go to the swatches. Okay, so here we have the first 8 shades on the palette. I started swatching on the top left. Now overall, all of the matte colors seemed very creamy and swatched nicely. Especially this bright pink and this kind of purple color also. Then this kind of metallic red I went over a second time, and this gold shade is really gorgeous. Okay, and here we have the final 7 shades of the palette. Now these are all mattes apart from this pink, and this looks really nice. The purple, just like that metallic red, the formula seems a little bit different and it doesn't look very pigmented. I also went a second time on top of it. This coral shade though, it looks really good, and the white is also very pigmented. Okay, so the shades I was talking about were this metallic red. The formula seems a little bit dry, and also this purple, it also didn't swatch very well, but maybe with a brush it'll be different. But yeah, all of the mattes and really all of the shades apart from those two swatched well, and they looked creamy or felt creamy. And yeah, I'm going to prime this eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that you're all zoomed in, I have primed this lid with the Revolution Conceal and Define, and I'm thinking about doing kind of a halo eye. So I think I'm going to start by using this shade, and I'm gonna pack it on my inner corner and outer corner and then blend the edges. I didn't set the concealer. Yeah, the shadow seems to be picking up really well on the brush. I haven't done a halo eye in a while. Okay, so this is the outer corner. I think I'm going to blend that and bring it to the crease. I'm gonna use this shade to do that. Yeah, that seemed to blend very easily, and it's also got that pigment. And above that, I'm going to blend it with this one. blended really well. Now I want to see if I can deepen up a little bit more of the outer and inner corner, and I'm gonna try to see how that purple that didn't swatch very well, how it does with the brush. Yeah, I mean, on the brush it picks up a lot better, so that is a bit of a relief. And that also goes to show that swatches aren't everything. And I'm going to blend the edge with that first shade I used. Actually, I think I want to bring that a little bit to the crease. And I'm going to blend a little bit more color on the outer corner. I'm going to use again this one, just a small bit. Okay, now I'm gonna create that halo eye shape again with the Conceal and Define. Because I have hooded eyes, I need to do that kind of looking up thing. Okay, so for now I'm happy with that shape, and I really want to try this gold shade. Okay, and now on these edges I'm going to blend it with this one. That is the first shade I used. I'm just tapping again with what's left on the brush. And because my eyes are so hooded, I think I need just a little bit more of this one on top, really just a small amount. Okay, so far this is what the eyeshadow looks like. I think it looks really nice, and the gold is really pigmented. So I am going to do the other eye off camera and the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back to finish the lower lash line. Okay, so I am looking slightly different, and I did a little winged eyeliner and mascara, and now I'm gonna do my lower lash line. And for that, I want to use again this shade close to my lashes, and then I'll blend it with this one. Okay, so I really like the way that looks. I just want to add a little bit of a black pencil on my waterline and the mascara on my bottom lashes, and then I'll give you a close-up. Okay, so this is what the eyes look like. I am pretty happy with the finished look, and I'm wearing the Kiko Lip Milots eyeliner and the Kiko Standout Volume Buildable Mascara. And I've also just finished the look with the Beauty Glazed Liquid Lipstick in the shade Dolce K. And to finish, I just want to see how that red shade picks up on a brush. It picked up this shade very easily, just like the other purple did. And see it on my hand. Well, my hand doesn't have anything on it. I mean, it did have a little bit of foundation, but I wiped that. And yeah, here you can kind of see that it's a little bit hard to show you, but it does look nice. It does have that metallic red look to it. You might have to build it up a little bit, but this palette was, by the way, €4.99, so I guess that for the price, even if one or two shadows didn't work very well, I think it was still worth it. So yeah, this was the finished look using this palette. The mattes worked very, very well, and they're very pigmented, and the shimmers are also really nice. Those two shades looked a little bit weird. You might have to build them up a little bit, but it also looked really good. And by the way, I started with my eyes because I would probably have to wipe any fallout, and there was no fallout, so that's also a very big plus of this palette. And yeah, I really, really liked it. I'll still want to do something with that red, and also you got a few cool tones like this and this to do something with these more purple shades. I also really loved this coral tone, and yeah, these are my overall thoughts on this palette. I'll still have my other deep dive eyeshadow palette to test and see how it compares to this one. If you like this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me your comments down below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this every Monday and Thursday, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!